Today is the first day I'm officially hired as a tour guide for my family's Singapore trip. Our first stop, the famous Sultan Mosque at Arab Street. Funny enough, I've never been here either. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss upcoming Singapore travel tips and the rest of these family vlogs. The streets here are bursting with life. Colorful murals, unique shophouses, and the stunning golden dome of the mosque towering above. Arab Street of the Kapong Lam district became the area's main shopping street, where it became a large trading hub since the 1800s, known for its spice and textiles. Arab Street today is a key Muslim center in Singapore, home to many local restaurants and shops. You can also catch glimpses of Singapore's first-generation shophouses, of two-story buildings with a few windows on the upper floor. It's a perfect place to explore a bit of history, food, and culture. We took a quick snack break at this tiny shop for some Turkish coffee and handmade snacks. The owner actually makes all of the snacks himself. You could smell the freshness when you walked in. Next stop, the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple in Chinatown. This is probably the third time I've visited the temple. If you want to see when I came here the first time, check out this video. Or, for my parents' POV, when they visited at the start of my exchange, you can also watch this one. There was also a little festival happening in the back. I don't quite remember what it was for though. We walked around Chinatown a bit more, but it was so hot and sunny, so we went to seek shelter at a restaurant for shade and AC. After cooling off, we headed to Clarke Quay for a stroll before our dinner reservation for the famous Singaporean chili crab. Along the way, my brother spotted an orange juice vending machine and just had to try it. My friend swears by this juice, but I'd never had it before.
Oh, that's what they're doing.
Someone take their phone.
Oh, they're doing something. Just take it. Oh, you got your day.
Funny enough, again, I've never been on this side of the river before. Clarke Quay's large canopies are actually designed to keep things cool. It keeps out the heat from the sun pretty well. And it also started spraying water mist around to keep everybody cool.
This is sort of
Fun fact, Clarke Quay was once a busy 19th century trading port, making up Singapore River Precinct with Boat Quay and Robertson Quay. Today, it has been redeveloped into one of Singapore's main nightlife and dining spots.
going to the tunnel to the riverwalk.
Now it's time for dinner. There were actually two of the same restaurants, but on different sides of the river, and we went to the wrong one at first. To be fair, Riverwalk and Riverview are very similar names.
This is a better view. Oh.
After the Singaporean chili crab, we headed back to the hotel and we were done for the day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming travel vlogs from Hong Kong and Japan. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.